Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up and repair report for Pollen, Louisiana on this Ranger RG-99. First thing that comes to mind there, Paul, white LED in your meter. This thing was way out of alignment. Had several little things I had to undo and redo, but she's good to go now. Show you what we got. Set you up here on a 2-watt dead key, 5-watt slug, 2-watt carrier. Gonna go over here to the 100-watt slug and show you average power. Hello, audio. Smooth 14 watts of average power. I'll go to the peak side. Hello, audio. 41 watts, peak power. Alright, Paul's ready to come back to you, my friend. I appreciate you sending me yet another radio. Clean radio. Looks good. Truck CB Sales at gmail.com. Bump.